Hello YouTube family, welcome to my new video. My name is Roselyn. This video is the continuation of my korma curry. So as you remember, 3 days ago I made a korma curry paste, and I'll be showing you how I make my paneer and pumpkin korma curry. So this curry is from India, so I'm gonna be using paneer. Paneer is an Indian cheese, so it's a kind of cheese. So this kind of cheese is non-melting and also non-aged cheese. And this is a vegetarian curry. I'm not a vegetarian, but I love to eat this curry because it's full of flavor and it's so yummy. So this is good for all of you who are vegetarian, and also if you are in keto diet. Yeah, so it's very interesting, so please keep watching. All right guys, so these are all the ingredients that we need. So we have 1 small size of butternut pumpkin. Also, this is the very important one. So we have, this is the paneer cheese, so good for a vegetarian. Yeah, so this is firm cheese, it's good. And we gonna use this 200 grams of cream cheese. Of course, my homemade korma curry paste. So this is 3 tablespoons. We need salt to season. So our, by the way guys, our pumpkin, we have to cut this into 1-inch size. And also we need, so I'm gonna be using this 1 tin of chickpeas rinsed. We need 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons for frying the korma paste, and 1 tablespoon for frying the paneer cheese. Also we need this 1 tin of diced tomatoes, and maybe 3 to 4 handful of spinach. And yeah, so that's all our ingredients for this korma curry. Alright, so I forgot, we need tomato paste. So we need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and later we need a little bit of sugar. So that's my secret if I use tomato paste. You know, if I use tomatoes, I put a little bit of sugar. This is my leftover from my korma curry paste, and I'm gonna use it all. Okay guys, let's get started. So we're gonna pour 2 tablespoons of canola oil in this pot, and 1 tablespoon of canola oil for our paneer. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you how to cut the paneer cheese. Alright, so let's cut in here first. Let's cut this into half. Oh, this is not equal. Okay, anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, so let's cut into 3 parts, because we're gonna fry this. And then after you fry, then you cut into bite size, like 1 inch size, or cubes, 1 inch cube, something. So our pan, the oil is ready. so we have to fry it. I'll show you. I'll show you how. Okay, so once your oil is hot, put your paneer. Pag tumatalsik yung oil, guys, kailangan yung i-lower yung heat at pwede nyo siyang takpan. Right, so for the meantime, I think our pot is also ready. Alright, so we have to saute our korma paste. Right, you saute your korma paste until you can smell the aroma of the spices. Then you can add your pumpkin. So let's add in our tin of diced tomatoes. Alright, so I got 3 cups of water. And we have to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, and let it boil and simmer for 10 minutes, and then we add the other ingredients. So this recipe is good for 4 to 5 servings, and you can freeze this if you have lots of leftover for yourself. because I'm always cooking for myself, guys. Alright guys, that's all for tonight. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to share, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I love to read your comments, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribe. And thank you so much for supporting my channel, and yeah, sa lahat, and thank you to all my subscribers, sa mga kabarangay ko. Salamat din sa inyo, mga madamo. Salamat sa akin yung mga friends, and also to all my friends around Canada, Philippines, and to other parts of the world. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Have a lovely night. Be safe, and God bless everybody.